Hello, I'm Claudia.
And I'm Olivia.
How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Good. So we're going to give everybody an update. What we have been up to.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So today we're doing open house.
Yes, we're doing open house today and tomorrow between 1 to 4.
At 79 Island Coral.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So what did we do yesterday?
Yesterday we went to a home inspection.
That's right.
Mm-hmm.
So what's unique about this house is 1976, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. So why it's so significant about this year? Because I should say before 1978. So basically, 1978. Before that, the government find out all the pen has lead. So that's why it's so significant. If you're purchasing home before 1978, okay, so there's a disclosure your realtor is going to ask you to sign. Want you to be aware there's lead in the paint.
Yes.
But
it's not harmful, so don't be scared. As long as you don't eat it, you're fine.
Exactly. Are you going to pick up the pan and eat it? Okay, probably not. So that's really something about that particular year.
Yes.
Before that.
Yes.
Okay. So I was saying Irvine, not many homes for before that, but like University Park,
Yes.
Deerfield.
Rancho San Joaquin is also older.
Yes.
As well.
So just be aware of that. So also, because those homes are older, okay, so their electric panels are older too. Okay, so back then there's no GFCI.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so this house doesn't have a GFCI. So if you don't know what a GFCI is, let me tell you what it is. Okay, so GFCI usually is installed by the switches by anywhere near water.
Okay.
So where will be near water? Now you know.
Yeah.
Kitchen.
Yeah, the kitchen, your bathrooms.
Yes. Yeah. So those are two of the main areas has water. So what will happen is just say there's water going, then we'll trick the breaker. So back then they don't have that function. So a lot of electric panels they won't even trick. So if it doesn't trick, what happens is the wire get overheated, then will burn your house down.
Oh my God. Okay, we don't want that.
Yeah, we don't want that. But you know what? It happens. But so far in Irvine, it didn't happen a lot. So still kind of safe because that whole neighborhood, every house is like that. No house is burned down yet.
Right. Okay.
Yeah. So another thing is for those kind of safety devices will lower your insurance cost. So insurance companies will ask you, did you update your electric panel? Did you change the wiring for your outlets, etc.? Okay. So even another one is like it's not about older homes. It's like if you have a burglar alarm, you have fire alarm. Okay. Fire alarm is different than burglar alarm, right? So in a newer home, they have this red like a bell thing on the side of the house. A lot of homes in I think in Potosi Springs has it.
Yeah.
Okay. And then also you have fire sprinklers. Okay. So like this one, Island Coral, it was built in 2015, so has the fire sprinklers. So that's very important because if there's a smoke or fire, the sprinklers will open and it will put out the fire.
Yeah.
Okay. So I want to tell you a funny story.
What?
Okay. Yes. I had a client who owned a house in West Park. Okay. So if you know Irvine, you know where West Park is. West Park is behind Ranch 99, basically that whole area. So they are yellow exterior and a red roof. Yes, the red roof, yes. So he has a tenant in there. Okay. So one day, someone just called me, say, Claudia. What? Is it possible you can open the door for me for the unit?
Oh.
Yeah. for the unit. I say, what happened? Don't you have a key? He say, no, but the fire department called me, say there's a fire inside my house. So they need to go in to put off the fire.
Oh my gosh.
Okay. All right. So you know what happened is how do you call this? Like it has a lot of outlets, like an extension cord.
Yeah.
Extension cord with a lot of outlets.
Yes.
So that thing malfunctioned. So start burning.
Oh my god.
Only smoke.
Oh, okay.
Only smoke, not fire yet. Just, so it's like overheating, right? Over like smoke, right?
Yeah.
And the funny thing is, I don't think there's anything plugged in, like using it.
Yeah.
Just like.
It was just sitting there.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Basically. Yeah, just sitting.
Yeah.
And then the sprinklers come out, spray the water, and the bill, because that's the attached condo, so the fire alarm, the bill ring off, and there's no fire.
Okay, that's good.
Okay, that's very good. But the damage from the little potential fire is water damage from the sprinklers, okay? And the damage from the fire department. They break into the house from the sliding door, the glass, and also from the front door.
Oh man.
Yeah, I know.
Wow. Wait, when was this?
Maybe. Okay, now we define everything by before COVID.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so this is before COVID.
Okay.
So maybe 8 or 9 years ago.
Oh my god.
Quite a while ago.
That must have been so scary. Like you just like picking up the phone and just hearing all this.
Yes. So I was pretty confident because we have fire insurance.
Right.
Yeah. So I thought, it should be okay as long as nobody's home, everybody's safe, right?
Yeah.
But then we have the water damage from the potential fire. Okay. So thank God we have really good insurance company. Yeah. So at the time, the client has State Farm, so it was very easy.
Okay.
We call, we file the claim, we pile up the estimate, and then even have a adjuster come. So this is the perfect timing to remodel the house.
Yeah, no,
so we got a new kitchen, new floor, all by the insurance company.
Yes, seriously.
Yeah.
That's really good.
Yeah. So that's the funny story. So I would say just be aware, right? Yeah. So you left the inspection early yesterday. Where did you go?
I went to Great Park yesterday to deliver the keys for my clients. They just got their application accepted to a new property, so they're super excited about that.
Okay. So
You want to know my funny story?
Yes.
Okay, so my clients met up, the landlord came, and the listing agent came, so we were all there. The minute
Big party.
Big party. The minute I pull in and I go to the garage, because we enter through the garage, I see a huge German Shepherd in a Lamborghini.
Oh.
That was the landlord's.
Oh.
That's the landlord's dog.
Right.
Yeah, and then another funny story. There was another car parked in front of the garage, and then another German Shepherd, and that was the listing agent's dog.
Wow, everybody loved German Shepherd.
And then I go, I should have brought my Shepherd too.
So they have another doggy party.
Exactly.
Okay. All right.
That would have been so cool.
When you talk about this, all I think about is all the hair on the car seats.
No, I know. Seriously, because they shed a lot.
Yeah.
And another funny story is how I would like to think how I got my client's application accepted is I sent the listing agent a picture of my dog, and I said, please, she's also hoping that our application will get accepted because she wants more treats. Because when we toured the house, his dog was actually in the garage.
Oh.
That's why. So I was like, he's a dog person. I'm going to sway him with emotion. So I sent him a picture of my dog too.
I have to say, you're the rental queen.
I know.
Yeah.
And then the minute I sent him a picture of my dog, he just goes, oh my God, it's so cute. And then he sends a video of his dog at the beach, and I'm like, perfect.
Yeah, okay.
I was like, yes, please root for for us, and just tell the landlord we're really easy to work with, and we're really serious about this property. He's like, okay.
How big is the house?
The house is, on the top of my head, I don't know. Wait, I think it is about 1,800.
Okay.
Yeah.
3 bedrooms?
2 bedrooms and a den.
Wow, that's a luxury 2-bedroom.
Yeah, and it's 1 floor. It's single story. So it's a single story in Great Park, which is really rare because typically when you think of Great Park, you think of
Three levels.
Exactly.
Yeah,
You just think of 3 levels. But this is a unique floor plan where it's just a single story, but there is somebody above you. And the listing agent did say, they're very quiet for the most part, but every once in a while you'll hear their kid play the violin.
Oh, it's the violin. It's not walking around.
No, it's just a violin.
Okay.
I was like, oh wow.
So how much is the rent?
It was $4,600, but originally it was listed.
Wait, 2-bedroom for $4,600.
Yeah, it's like 2 bedrooms and like another room, but
It's a den.
it's a den. Because there was no closet in there. It was really small.
Yeah. So the definition of a bedroom is you have to have a window.
Yep.
And you have to have a closet.
Exactly.
Of course, you have to have a door.
Yes, there was a door.
Yeah,
but there
okay.
was no closet, and there was no window, so that couldn't be considered a room.
Okay. All right. Wow.
Yeah.
Luxury 2-bedroom.
Right. It was originally listed at 52.
Wow. Wow. Okay. Speaking of that, I'm thinking about our downtown LA rental listing.
Yes.
Right? So actually, if you compare those two, just the bedrooms count, I would say, the downtown is pretty inexpensive. Right?
Yeah, I agree.
Because the one we have is 2-bedroom for $3,800.
Yes.
Yes, plus all the amenities. You have pool, you have gym,
You have a rooftop. What is it?
rooftop, like a lunch.
I was thinking like rooftop bar. I'm like, there's no bar up there.
No, you bring your own alcohol.
Yeah,
so
you bring
can
your
open the bar.
yeah. So there you go. Make your own bar up there.
Yeah, then there's a wine room, right? You can
Yes.
bring your own wine, and you can bring your catering.
Yes.
And you have a dog wash.
Yes.
Wash.
There's a doggy spa up there, so you can literally bring your dog and just wash your dog at the doggy station. And they have 2 different sizes for the tubs, for the small dogs and the big dogs. Did you see that?
Yeah. so Olivia is going to show us that property later.
Yes.
Yes.
I will.
Yeah. Okay. So it's really amazing, I have to say. So keep you posted.
Yes.
Yes.
The
Okay.
rooftop is amazing because it's on the 35th floor.
Wow. Okay. Nice view. From
Very nice view. It's like a full 360 view.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's really nice.
Okay. So, all right. So that's being working on, right? Yeah. Okay. And how did you meet those clients?
Oh, for Great Park, right?
Yes.
They came to my open house at 71 Stetson.
Oh,
Orchard Hills.
Okay.
So here's the backstory. What actually happened was there was originally 4 of them. So they were able to go higher in their rental price, but the 4th roommate backed out. So now there's only 3 of them. So we did have to shift gears a little bit and go a little bit lower in purchase price, but the rent price. Oh my gosh. Yeah. The rental price.
If it's purchase price, that would be amazing.
Give me 20 of those.
Yes. No, 200 of those.
You're right. 1,000.
Yeah.
Yeah. So then our new budget was like $4,500 to $4,700. So we started looking around that price range, and luckily we were able to secure a property for them.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, because I think you find a really good tenant for Stetson as well, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
She was really nice.
Yeah.
I really liked her.
Yeah, I really like her too. And her daughter is a cheerleader.
Yeah.
That's
She's
so
cute.
She's so cool.
I know.
Right?
Seriously.
Yeah, because we've been watching Olympics, right? So I
Yes.
really feel like, oh, those athletes, they are crazy.
I know. Amazing.
Yeah.
I think like that when I watch figure skating.
Yes.
So cool.
So this morning I was watching women's speed.
Okay.
Yeah, like race, right?
Yeah.
Basically a race, right? Yeah, I don't know. And I have to say, the most attractive part for me is like but it's amazing. Right? Because they really
Exactly.
work on those legs,
exactly.
right?
Yeah.
So what else is going on?
Oh, we should also talk about how we're going to be remodeling our new property.
Yes, because we did the inspection yesterday, and then it's a quick closing, so we probably will remodel. So keep you posted.
Yeah.
Watch what we're going to do in that house. It's a 1976.
Yes. So we're going to be closing soon, and as soon as we close, we are going to start remodeling the whole place. So I'm excited to show you guys the aftermath and the results once we're all finished.
Yes. Okay. And if you guys want to see us in person, don't forget, come to our open house.
Yes.
Yes. So we'll be here every weekend until it's sold.
Yes.
So you better hurry because it might be sold tomorrow.
Fingers crossed.
Yes. Thank you for watching. I'm Claudia.
I'm Olivia.
See you next time.
Bye.